Okay, it's winding down after a successful maneuver using the winch of the woods. The cable is directed through into the woods. Brian set this up in our little wonderland. Into the cedars. It just shut itself off. And it goes behind the barn. And pulled a very heavy duck fire truck out into its parking place for the winter. So that's where the cable comes out. And here's the engineer. We're pleased with how it all got set up, pulled right into place. It was a complete success. Right, Brian?
With your help and guidance, Jenna. Also known as the Winch of the Woods.
The Winch of the Woods. I love it. So, there he goes. The man of the woods. And a successful operation was had. It worked. Thank you.